Dok, feeling ko ang tanda-tanda ko na pag tumitingin ako sa salamin, na feel ko nagbago na yung tsura ko. Siguro 40s or 50s ka na dyan kasi pumapatong yung age na feeling mo, tumatanda ka na. Anong una mong makikita, no? Jowling. So dito parang bumabagsak na dito. These are actually fat pads, no, na nakakawala na sa kanilang cage or sa hawla. Kaya bumabagsak na. Dito din, laugh line, no? Very prominent na pagka tumuntong tayo ng 40 to 50 kasi yung fat natin dito lumalabas na sa kanilang cage, bumabagsak na, bumibigat na kasi tong area. Kaya yung hold natin dito kitang-kita. Same goes with the marionette line here. So yan ang 3 concerns. Laugh line, marionette line, and chow. Anong solution dyan, Doc? If you want instant lift, then you can do the KBK porcupine lift because we will insert threads, marami na, up to 40 to 50 per side, along the laugh line, along the marionette line, and even along the jaw. Talagang instantly after the procedure, you will see the difference because of the mechanical lift of the threads, but also because the threads will stimulate collagen while it's under the skin. Second, I recommend is the KBK Face Aid. Kailangan din natin tunawin yung fats na kumakawala. The KBK Face Aid is a mesolipo pero mas safe siya for the face. So we can inject it here sa jowls, even here, and a little here para yung fat ay medyo matunaw ng onte, mausog siya. And then last, I know marami nagsasabi hindi effective ang HIFU, but the KBK HIFU Lift, I still advise that. Ano bang ginagawa niyan, Doc? Pinapainit natin yung collagen sa ilalim ng skin mo para kumapal siya. That process will take some time. That's why you don't see agad-agad some instant results. But trust me, in the long run, if you do HIFU, if done well, of course, dapat you go to me or mga other dermatologists, malilift niya talaga yung skin nyo in the long. If you feel like tumatanda ka na and you want some lifting, lalo na dito sa lower face, then come visit us.